766. Let's fucking get into it. Okay, so down here in shader source number 8, which is the bombs for Josh shader, inside of geometry state color key, we have these 6 different colors for the default geometry colors, and we're gonna add 6 more colors for when there is a window in front of the geometry. We're gonna render the geometry in pastel so that it looks kind of like it's behind the glass panels with kind of an atmospheric effect, atmospheric kind of depth effect. Okay, right here, this lookup table v16 and via converted to floatvec4. We've added the 3 new colors all the way down here. So if we need to get to the pastel segment, we need to offset by 6. That's going to come in handy later, so remember this array. Okay, let's go down to the next section in our shader. So GP4 truth table. This just converts a GP4 enumeration, glass panel enumeration, to whether or not geometry for it exists. So this is does not exist, never existed, return 0. Does not exist, was destroyed, return 0. And these things in the middle are visible types, so they're going to return a 1. We're going to use this for some branchless programming further down in the shader. So right here in the main entry point for the bombs for Josh shader, if we go all the way down here to render collected binary tiles, within the section geotile bit where we are rendering the geometry tile, if we are on the border of the geometry tile, then we're going to end up in here. And this was the dark green border that we were rendering with. Now we're going to use this color if there is a glass panel in the front, right? So we're using that GP has lookup table. Oh my god, we're not out of time. We got 30 more fucking seconds. 30 more fucking seconds. Okay, let's scroll down here. Okay, so right here, color by SAD, the output frag color for the body of the geometry tile. This was the original code here. Fucking hell, I fucking did that again. The original lookup table, the original lookup is here, but now if there's a glass panel in front, we're going to offset by 6 to the pastels. Okay? Down here is what we did previously, and then footnotes and what we did in this video. Okay, now I'm really done. Fucking hell, man. You've been here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. Technical demos, source code, ways of getting hold of me. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine, documenting every single line of code, open sourcing it. Like and subscribe if you want to see how to make a game engine.